Well, I learned a lot of English with my blogspot. I make videos, I make spots, I make interviews, I play, a lot of things, writing, and a reading comprehension. But I think that the best part of this project is that I can make a better relationship with my classmates, and at the same time, I enjoy it. This is my blog and I will show you my project since the first until the third period. This is my first project, my autobiography, and I will show you my picture when I was a baby. And the next diapositive is when I was a children and they dressed me in a ridiculous way. The next are my birthdays since the first until the seventh. And the next is my family. And the next is my second project, an interview about people with disabilities. And the next is a play, Toy Story. The children laughed a lot and it was very funny. And the next is my spot, and you should sing it because it's very funny.
Recycle today. Eco will show you the ways. The 3 R's to protect our environment. Eco's telling you that would really be good time spent. The air, water, land, and plants will thank you if you do. Everybody should do it if they only knew.
Reduce, reuse, recycle again.
Eco will show you the way.
Think ecologically. A public service of the American Advertising Federation, 4th District.
Well, I showed my blogspot to my friend Jennifer, and I will question her about this. For example, what project do you like more, Jennifer? Jenny,
Yes,
what project do you like more?
the play.
Toy Story 2?
Yes,
Why do you like it?
because was very fun.
What part do you like more?
When Ricardo appears with his costume. Yes, well, yes,
It was funny.
yeah, it was very funny. Was the best play.
Thank you. I like a lot your
Yeah.
comments.
Yeah. Well,
And do you like the presentation of my pictures since I was a baby?
yeah, your biography.
Exactly.
Yeah, very pretty.
Yes, of course. I am very pretty. Well, thank you
Yeah,
for your
of course.
comments
Yeah.
and for your time, Jennifer.
Bye.